Well guys, as you can see from the thumbnail, I have two packages that came in. One from Sammy Andrus, one from Authenticity Perfumes. I'll bust them open, see what they smell like. Stay tuned. Here we go, the new boxes too. So I have the new Fresh Boss from Authenticity Perfumes. So I have not looked at anything on it. I don't know what the notes are. I have had somebody in the comment, I've had a bunch of people ask me if I was getting it. And nice to have a little box, it's different. And asked me if I was getting it, and I knew I had it on the way. Not sure what the notes are. Let's take a look at the notes on this real quick. Supposedly some people are saying it's better than Summer Vibes. Not a bad price. Starting off $36.99. Not a bad price. Let's take a look at what the notes are on this one. Top notes of sweet orange, peppercorn, and black currant. Ooh, I like it already. Start the fragrance with spiciness and sweetness. Next, the heart opens up with lavender, rose, and peppermint. And the fragrance finishes with patchouli, vetiver, and sandalwood. Ooh, so I am intrigued. Let's get that on skin, because that's a different note breakdown. Some orange, some black currant, some peppermint. That's intriguing stuff right here. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, bright. Bright and crisp. I get a lot of the peppermint, and it's very, very fresh up top. And the black currant's not overpowering it to make it too bitter, because black currant's kind of a very bitter, like fruity note. Adds a lot of bitterness. I enjoy that in fragrances. Usually when I see that, it's usually something I'm going to like. Here it's not punching me in the nose. It's kind of very well blended. Man, I get the hype. I get the hype. I've been seeing a lot of posts on Instagram about this. And like I said, a lot of people have been asking me if I was getting this and my thoughts on it and all that. And well, here we go. Definitely different. Would I say it's better than Summer Vibes based off of this first impressions? Not necessarily, but it's definitely one of the better releases. I'll tell you right now. This is intriguing. It could potentially overtake Barbershop as my #2 favorite. I don't know. I will be wearing it over the next week or two. And if you guys want to see a full review on this one, let me know down in the comments. We'll do a full review on it. Yeah, a lot of bright, crisp sweetness, if that makes sense, because it's fruity sweet. It's got that crisp edge of the peppermint, and some creaminess from sandalwood. That's kind of what I'm getting from this one. They're kind of jumping out at me. Very well blended, but not so well blended that I can't distinguish a few notes out of it. We'll spend some time with this one. I like this. So, newest release, Fresh Boss from Authenticity Perfumes. Got our package from Sammy. I'll just rip all of these out real quick instead of having you guys sit through that. So bachelor #1 is Colonel. Doesn't really, because he didn't tell me what the new releases were. He just asked if I was interested in new releases. Yeah, send them on to me. Obviously, all of these were sent to me for review. Bitter orange, white chocolate, Tahitian vanilla, woodsy notes, patchouli, olibanum, incense, citruses, rose, and orris. So it's got iris, olibanum, and incense, which olibanum is frankincense, so it's double the incense. That's a very interesting note breakdown here. We'll put atomizers on it in just a second, but interesting. Bachelor #2, Precious Thunder. Okay then, Precious Thunder. Notes on this one are oregano, pepper, incense, leather, agarwood, sandalwood, patchouli, and amber. I know right away what this is going to be. This is going to be Sammy's version of Interlude Man. I don't know if he's going for the 53 X straight or not, but it's a very, very similar note breakdown to the 53 X straight. As soon as I see oregano and incense and leather, oud, all that. That's pretty much the same note breakdown. Let's do a little teaser sniff. Oh yeah, that's going for interlude, for sure. And bachelor number 3, Yellow Sapphire. We have a new addition to the Sapphire collection. Saffron, nutmeg, patchouli, lavender, musk, and oud. I'm not sure what this one's supposed to be. If you know what Yellow Sapphire is supposed to be, comment down below. We're going to put some atomizers on these 3 bottles and we're going to give them a smell. So the first one we're going to be spraying and smelling is Precious Thunder, because I'm convinced this is interlude, man. I know the zoom's a little bit different. You probably notice a quality difference in the video footage, and it's 60 FPS. You know, I'm moving around a lot quicker. I do have a new camcorder. Not shooting off the phone anymore. After being with my friends in Chicago and using their equipment, I was like, it's time to stop shooting off the smartphone. So, just a little sidebar for you guys. But I'm going to spray this one on top of the hand, since I have Fresh Boss is getting a little bit spicier. A little bit spicier and creamier. It's getting better. One good spray up top. I'm pretty confident this is interlude, man, or one of the different concentrations of it, but it's interlude, man. Oregano gives it away right away. Yes, this is interlude, man. Immediately upon first sniff. Because for those of you that saw the smell and rate video that I did with Andrea from Curly Scents and Justin from Stay Fresh Productions, I had my sample from Sense Angel of Interlude 53 Extrait. This is not as pungent, not as overpowering and harsh as the 53, so I don't think this is Sammy's version of the 53. But it's definitely Sammy's version of Amouage Interlude, man. Very accurate. Very accurate. This is a straight up clone. Not going to sit here and beat around the bush. This is a straight up clone of Interlude, man. And see, Justin hates the oregano note. I don't mind it. It adds this herbal, this green herbal quality that isn't really in other fragrances, because oregano is very distinguished, very distinct. You know it when you smell it. I like it. Yeah. If you're looking for what in my mind is a very accurate, affordable version of Amouage Interlude, man, looks like Sammy's got you covered with Precious Thunder. Next, we're going to check out Colonel. So, note breakdown's interesting. I have no idea what this is supposed to be. We're going to give the forearm a spray on this side. Give it a second. Ooh, it's powerful. It's in the air. Smells familiar. Medicinal. Yeah, definitely medicinal. Cough syrup kind of medicinal. Chocolate, vanilla, patchouli. A lot of incense. That makes sense based on the label. A lot of incense. Very medicinal up top. This is an acquired taste fragrance. Not bad. Not bad. I'm not sitting here trying to knock it. It's intriguing. Very interesting scent. But I want to say I know this. And the oud is coming off like Tom Ford's Oud Wood, that cleaner, industrial cleaner type of smell, plus the medicinal smell. Very, like I said, very, very intriguing. I'm very intrigued by this. Okay, it's starting to smell more like Oud Wood. Maybe this is supposed to be Oud Wood Intense. The note breakdown's not exactly the same, but it's reminding me of Tom Ford's Oud Wood, but potentially the Intense version, which I've never smelled. I've just smelled the original. I've never smelled the Intense. This may be what it is, but it's reminding me of an Oud Wood type of fragrance. Because that cleaner, that oud cleaner smell is very distinct as well. Just like oregano in the other one. This one's got an Oud Wood smell to it. Yeah, final answer. Not using a lifeline on this one. Tom Ford Oud Wood, and I'm going to say the Intense, because it smells a little bit different from regular old Oud Wood. I like it. It was very, very medicinal up top for a few seconds, and then it started to change almost immediately and gave me that industrial cleaner Oud Wood type of smell that Tom Ford Oud Wood's known for. So I'm convinced this is Sammy's rendition of Tom Ford. Come on, focus. Why was it not focusing? Tom Ford Oud Wood Intense. This is frustrating. Why is it? There we go. Got to get used to this camera, guys. So the focus is a little bit different. But yeah, if you like Oud Wood or Oud Wood Intense and you don't want to spend the money, Colonel from Sammy Andrus. Well, in Yellow Sapphire, I don't know if I'll be able to pick out what it is right away or not, but it looks like Sammy's going the route of just straight up clones at this point. A lot of stuff prior was he would have something that has some originality and some that were, you know, kind of his take on fragrances, but these smell pretty much like straight up clones. Gonna be honest with you guys. In Yellow Sapphire, you know, the Sapphire collection seems to never let me down, and it's usually his best fragrances. So we're gonna go this forearm. That hit me right away that I know what this is. I know what this is and I can't put my finger on it. It's spicy and fresh. The nutmeg's pretty prominent. This is familiar. This is so familiar. I know what this is. And I can't place it. This is going to drive me nuts. I can't place it. Dang. I can't place it. I know what it is though. It's a clone of something. Why can't I put my finger on what fragrance this is? Because I know this smell. I know this scent. Let me show you guys the note breakdown one more time. Does that look familiar to you guys? Does it ring a bell? I'm getting a lot of lavender and musk. I'm getting some oud. There's a citrus that's not listed on here. Yeah. Saffron nutmeg. Nutmeg real present. Nutmeg's very distinct. Damn, I don't know what the hell it is. It smells great. It smells great. I would say it's the best of the three. So if I had to rank these three based on which ones I like the most, I would say, that's tough because I like all three. I would say Colonel, which I'm convinced is Oud Wood Intense, is my least favorite. Precious Thunder, which is Interlude Man, and then Yellow Sapphire, which I can't place what the hell it is. But three more good releases from Sammy. Sammy's been putting out some really good stuff. The last 10 releases have been good, really and truly. 10, 12 releases in a row that have really been good. But it seems like Sammy's going the way of straight up clones at this point with this line. Yeah, because this is all... This smells like Oud Wood. This is straight up Interlude Man. And I can't place what the hell Yellow Sapphire is. I know what it is, but I can't think of what it is at the same time. It's kind of weird. It's bothering me. Man. And Fresh Boss. This stuff's legit. This is the best fragrance in this video. No doubt. This is the best fragrance in the video. Not trying to knock Sammy or anything, because these are definitely good. I like them. But Fresh Boss is definitely the best in this video. It's very original. I think that's why I like it so much, because these are clones and this is an original fragrance. Very fresh, but still very, very creamy. Man, this is just getting better and better. The orange hasn't faded, but the blackcurrant and the peppermint has. It's transitioned. It has changed. So there is some complexity to this fragrance. I'm still not going to say it's better than Summer Vibes yet, but it's definitely up there. This is better than a lot of the other fragrances from the house. So 3 new releases from Sammy, 1 new release from Authenticity Perfumes. Pretty happy to have them. Let me know if you want a full review on any of these. Let me know down in the comments. And until next time, do me a real quick favor. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. So I do appreciate all the feedback, and I love hearing from you guys. Many of you have tried these already. I mean, a lot of you have reached out to me. I've had a few people ask me about these, and I've had several people ask me about this. So I know you guys have gotten your hands on these already. Some of you have anyways. Let me know what you think about them down below. Like I said, if you want to see a full review on any one of them, let me know in the comments. Until next time, I will say, if you get your hands on any of these and you give them a spray now, I don't know, you might end up thanking me later. Have a good one, guys.